This is Tricolor Willow. It's kind of hard to see here with the green background, but let's see if we can focus in here. And you could see the three colors in the tricolor. It's got white, green, and there's kind of a pink shade too. It's very similar in coloring to Hakuro Nishiki, which is another dappled willow. Say that these things don't grow as fast. I've always had problems with this and with Hakuro Nishiki. They're just not as vigorous as some other varieties. And I'm kind of wondering it's whether they just they lack chlorophyll. You know, that's what makes the color here is the lack of chlorophyll. So maybe that slows down their growth a little bit. This one plant, I have not coppiced it to the ground every year like I do the rest of our willow. So it's very likely that this would look pretty impressive if it was a dense planting. You know, we usually plant our willow 6 inches apart, 2 foot spacing between rows, and then we coppice it every year, which means we cut it back to the almost to the ground, and the branches will grow back, and they fill in quite well, and they make a great hedge. And so you can imagine that this or Hakuro Nishiki would give you this beautiful white and green with highlights of pink. This is Tricolor Willow. It is a beautiful dappled willow.